Presenting the Teen LibCrate Spring 2023 unboxing video.
Hi, and welcome back to the 2023 Spring LibCrate season. Right now, we are presenting the award for Newest Teen Librarian. Round of applause. Our newest teen librarian is Benjamin Zonebrecker. Give it up for our newest teen librarian.
Thank you. Thank you very much to Miss Brittany for that good introduction. I am Mr. Ben, the new teen librarian. And this season's LibCrate, we're celebrating Louisiana Teens Reader Choice Books. This is a program that is done every year in Louisiana where teens just like you get to pick their favorite of 10 nominees. Let's get into the LibCrate. I'm good.
Yeah, we're rolling, so whenever you're ready.
Red leather, yellow leather.
Yes, there you go.
Jeez. This is it. LTRC is about celebrating the best of the best, and we at Lafayette Public Library believe our patrons are the best of the best. So this LibCrate's craft is this Hollywood Walk of Fame star you can make for yourself. We're going to give you everything you need to do it. We're going to include these bookmarks, one with more recommended reading and one with a Spotify playlist of Louisiana award-winning musicians. Each LibCrate is going to include an LTRC book from this year or the past. This is one of this year's nominees, Not So Pure and Simple by Lamar Giles, a book about a high school boy who, trying to impress his long-term crush, accidentally joins his church's purity group. We're also including this bag of popcorn for y'all to eat and enjoy while you're reading your books. Every LibCrate includes a book talk so you know what's going on in the library for teens and for the rest of your family. And this season's LibCrate includes your own personal spotlight, because we think every reader deserves one. If you're interested in getting your own LibCrate, registration starts on February 27th. Go online to our website and sign up. Distribution starts on March 13th. You can get those at any of our branches. And don't forget to come to our main branch on March 2nd for Ellen Hopkins' visit. She's our Lafayette Reads Together author this year. She'll be here signing books. Remember, when you sign up, you get to keep everything in the box. Just bring us back the box and the books.